skip water, you know, real life. Oh no! Nothing to it. Oh! I thought he was going over backwards. I thought he was.
Oh, he's getting stoned.
Yeah, he's done. You can't do it again. He's done. He's done. Hey!
Pretty good.
He's getting drunk.
Oh, we're going
Drunk,
fast this time.
Not bad.
One more time!
Got Anthony Cliff, driver. Jake Zimmer's gonna tear it up on the snowboard for the first time. Take one. And lean back when you hit the He'll be alright. I need some hot shit. Where's the hot shit at? Over on the sled. There. Underneath the sled or on the sled? On it. He's alright. He's alright. I'm done. He's good.
Give me some money.
If you get ahead of them, just fucking zoom in as far as you can and throw it right over the water. Hold it over the water though. You get them both?
Yeah.
Nice. Drunk, dude. I ain't got shit done with my board.